Hey everybody, how you doing? Hey, I apologize for not getting this up sooner. It actually happened a couple months ago, but I see there's still a lot of interest in my generator shed box that I built, and I need to report that this 10-inch exhaust fan that I bought quit working after just a couple hours. It was actually back in September. I was running a temperature test that I had mentioned I might do, and I went out there, fired up the generator, turned on the power block. Nothing happened. I checked everything out, even brought out another power cord, brought out another extension cord, brought out my other Honda generator. It just would not run. Unfortunately, there are a couple reviews on Amazon where people have reported that after just a couple hours that this vented exhaust fan quit working. And unfortunately, I have to report the same. So at this time, when I use the generator, I just open up the roof and the doors and let it vent kind of naturally. Oh, I must report that one of the duct fans that I bought quit working also. So, you know, sometimes you get what you pay for. In the case of the 10-inch fan, for $100, I think it should have lasted a little bit longer. Of course, I'm way outside my return window. And the little $20 duct fan, I still have one of them that run, but that's just not going to do it on its own. So I thank everybody for the comments on the first two videos. And as of right now, the shed is just basically a shed. I will not keep it closed up while I'm running the generator, and just have to have the doors open and the roof raised for the heat management. So anyway, all right guys, that's all I've got to report today. Thank you very much for watching. We'll talk to you later.